So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever seen yourself in a mirror? Wow, isn't that cool? You're like, and it's like, How about you and I draw a mirror today? I'm gonna start with the color gray, and I'm gonna draw an oval, and then some squigglies, just like that. Yeah, it looks like reflection, right? And then I'm gonna take the color pink, whoa, and go around that, and then draw a little cute little thing up top, and then go around, and then I'm gonna draw the handle. Whoa! And that's how you hold onto the mirror right there. So then you can go, how do I look? I look great! Just like yesterday, and just like the day before. Wow, that was so much fun drawing. Do you like drawing with me? Yeah! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? All right, let's do this. B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!